Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to properly remove or replace the front bumper from any Audi A4 B7 out there. And the first thing which you have to do to remove the front bumper from this kind of vehicle is to open the hood, and right here into the center grille you'll have 3 bolts in total which you have to disconnect and remove completely. The first one is right here in the left side, the second one in the middle, and the third one right here in the right side. After that you'll have to go right here on the corners. Right now I'm on the passenger side, and you have to remove some screws right here from the wheel arch area. You'll have 2 screws in total which you'll have to remove completely, and then you'll have to pull out this dust protection from the wheel, and you'll have 2 more screws right into the fender which are securing the front bumper attached to the front fenders. Also in some cases another screw can be right here in the corner of the front bumper. Also, don't forget to disconnect and remove all the screws from under the front bumper which are attached to the undershield from the vehicle. In my case, a lot of them are missing, but I still have some of them which are some screws improvised into the undershield of the vehicle. It's not important on which side you are starting first. You can either start on the left side or on the right side. Everything is similar from one side to the other. Right here on the driver's side, you'll have to remove also the 2 screws from right here. Then you'll have to pull this out on the corners, and then right inside the front bumper you'll have 2 more screws which are securing the front bumper attached to the front fenders. I'm going to show you all in a few seconds how everything is secured and how everything is looking. Right here I just removed all the 3 screws which are securing the front bumper attached in the middle part of the front bumper, and right now I'm going to move on the corners. Very good everybody, so right now in this moment the vehicle is lifted up and placed on a jack stand. I remove the front wheels because in this way I have more room and space to work with, but if you don't want to do the extra work you can also remove the screws with the wheels mounted over the vehicle and with the vehicle on the ground. It is a little bit more difficult, but it can be done. Alright everybody, so right here underneath the wheel arch area inside the front fender you'll have to check for 2 more bolts which are securing the front bumper attached to the front fenders, and I hope you are able to see exactly. Inside there are 2 more bolts which you have to remove using a 10mm socket, and you'll have to do the exact same thing on the left side and on the right side. Those 2 bolts are securing the front bumper attached to the front fenders from the inside of the fender. Alright everybody, so as you can see, the front bumper can be pulled completely out from this side of the vehicle, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to go on the other side. I'm going to remove all the bolts and all the screws, and only then I'm going to remove the front bumper completely from the middle, and I'm going to pull it completely out. You'll have to follow the exact same process from the left side to the right side and vice versa. Very good everybody, all the bolts, all the screws are disconnected from the corners, from underneath and from the top of the front bumper. Right now I'm going to pull it out completely. I'm just securing it with this chair right here underneath to support the weight of it. And I recommend also to be very carefully, because underneath the front bumper you'll have some connectors from the fog lights, for example, for the parking sensors and other equipment which your front bumper may have. Be very carefully to disconnect them first, and only then you can pull it out completely. Okay everybody, so as you can see, the front bumper is completely removed and placed away from the vehicle. Those were all the things and all the steps which you have to do and follow if you want to completely remove the front bumper from this kind of vehicle, from any Audi A4 B7 out there, doesn't matter which year it is. Just be very carefully to remove the connectors, and then the front bumper can be pulled out completely. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a comment and a like down below. See you next time.